Each year, the Regional Organising Committee of the ASM picks a charity to donate to in lieu of speaker gifts. This year, my Regional Organising Committee chose FareShare, a Melbourne-based company which was founded many years ago by a pastry chef. FareShare has grown into Australia's largest charity kitchen. It provides healthy and nutritious meals for food vans, for homeless shelters, for women's refuges, and for community food banks. I'm here today with one of the directors, Tony Hetherington. So maybe, Tony, you can tell us what this donation means for FareShare.
We're extremely grateful for the donation because it's going to mean at least another 10,000 healthy, nutritious meals going out to people who need them, vulnerable Australians, single mums, the elderly, the isolated, the homeless, people who really need these meals.